JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine. And as you saw by the title, it is a Black Friday haul. So listen, I didn't go crazy like I did previous years. And remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below in the description box and sometimes at the end for you to click on after this one. So I didn't go crazy. Did I even leave my house this year to go shopping? I did. I bought a couple of things Black Friday, and those things that I did go to the store and buy, and it wasn't a lot of things. I posted on my Instagram, which you should be following me, JermaineAuNatural, on Instagram. I got You to the People, their skincare kit, because I really want to try that. And I feel like I bought something else, but I don't remember. I might have. Nonetheless, I didn't leave my house for most of my shopping. So let's unbox some things. Yes. All right, to start, as you may have seen in the last video, the things that I got rid of, I just replenished. So first up is Lume. Perfect. It is Lume. Jeez Louise, Lume. Okay, you know what? So I have been rocking hard with Lume since I did my deodorant challenge back in 2019? Maybe. Beep. It was my old job's holiday party, I think, where I was testing this out. Yes, in 2019. So we were out, everybody was outside. Re-upped on it, I like it, I've been using it ever since. I got two, what is this? Did I get a stick and a cream? Yep, solid and a cream. The holiday package that they had, or bundle that they had, came with the deodorant wipes, which can be used anywhere. I did also get I got the whole body deodorant. I always get a separate tube cream. I like the tube cream very specifically for my private parts. And as I mentioned in my Empties video, the acidified wash. So you will be seeing this. I was supposed to review it, as I said in another video, and I just ended up using it all up. Also, love the new pre-packaging. It's so really nice. And I got everything in peony rose because, as I have mentioned, peonies and roses are my favorite flowers, and I do like the smell of both. Next, big box. Poopery. Like I said, re-up. Eliminate funky odors without funky ingredients, which is one of the things that I love about pre-poo and why obsessed till the funkin' world. Ooh, I'm sorry. I was reading this. I didn't see this. Funkin' world. Companies, they are. So what did I get for my toilet to keep it, keep the house fresh? This is their fresh air, which is jasmine, fresh air, and mint. I don't think I read that fresh air was one of the essential oils. But how do you catch fresh air and then make it into an essential oil? I have questions. How do they catch it? How do we get the fresh air in here? It'll be in my toilet nonetheless. Other scents that I did get is, oh, come on. Listen, I forgot what I got. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. I love the packaging of their boxes. And I also got the Parisian Poo. It's the Parisian Poo toilet spray in Parisian Poo. Does it say tuberose? Ooh, tuberose, lily, and lavender. Oh, that sounds nice. Kinda like a tuberose. And then I think because of what I got like a little, I got this too. A little on the go, cloudberry. So on the go one, this is daisy and cloudberry. What is cloudberry? Cloudberry, daisy, and vanilla. Clouds be having dingleberries? With the things that I got, I think I had to spend a certain amount and you got like an extra gift. So the extra gift, they gave me 3 other toilet bowl sprays. So I am gonna be well and good until next year. Next, so this is another one of those things that I was supposed to review and just have been using it up. It is the Laneige. This is their lip sleeping mask kit, and then I re-upped on the lip glowy balm. So I currently have the gummy bear and the night mask and in the balm, and I have the peach in the bomb also. I really like this. Review coming up soon. I really like their things. Can't you tell by my lips? Yes, that's it for non-hair things. So for hair things, re-up JermaineAuNaturals. It is their Dream Curl Cream. As you notice, the bottle is a little bit smaller. So this is the actual bottle and the size that it was supposed to come in. Manufacturing, it had issues the first time around, so looks like it is corrected, and this is the right size. This little thing feel heavy. Such a good curl cream. Next, these people have been pushing this product for months. A year? Has it been a year? 2 years? Pushing. They're pushers. They're pushers.
I push people.
It is none other than Miche, and I got these set. You know, I hop on the live, you know, I am part of the Miche gang, and they're like, we have a motto. Guess what we're using in their hair? Set. She's that girl. Between Michelle and Bree. And I'm like, all right, let me go ahead and try this mousse out. Now, in addition, what I did get, because you all know I did Miche Madness last year, I did also get the trial size of the Detox shampoo to try it out. And I did also get the Sculpt Curl Defining Cream because, you know, me and washing goes in jail. So, got some new things from Miche that I have not tried yet. So excited to get into these. Oh, 2023, it is going to be me and mousse. I'm going to be trying some mousses. So y'all need to sit back and enjoy this, honey, because we're about to see really how well they work. Next, last but not least, bae. As I always say, I will always have Adwoa Beauty in my house. Love the brand, love the products, love Julian, the creator. So they'll always be in my home where the heart is. So this is just a re-up of things. I have re-upped on other things throughout the year. I'm not sure if I've shared them. I'm pretty sure that I have. What did I do? Listen. Okay, first off, can we talk about watching a company grow? Can we talk about when they get like good investors and stuff? Like, can we talk about the eye? Can we talk about product? Can we talk about marketing? Can we talk about packaging? Can we talk about a constant and consistent glow up from the company? Julian knows she'll be doing her thing. So first, box is gorgeous. They gave this thick ass card that's like a fan. This is good enough to be a bookmark. This will stop the door. You could slip a lock with how thick this card is. Just slip that thing right. So, upgrade it. It's not bubble. It's not peanuts. They got, I don't know what this material is made of, but it must be something of quality because it's nice and black and colory and stuff. So, only thing that I was re-upping on were my shampoos, Bailment, and my clarifying blue Tansy. I've got tons of deep conditioner of both of these. I've got all of the styling products of both of these. And I also did re-up on the Bailment oil. Not taking this out yet, but re-upped on it. Love it. So these are the things that I re-upped on for Black Friday. A couple of new things. Restocking on some things that I am running out on. Oh. And I almost forget. Y'all, if you don't know this about me, I'm a big fan and avid buyer and supporter of Timberland, the boot company. I did get me some new black boots. Heritage, all black. But yeah, how did you do Black Friday? Did you go cray? Did you buy all the things? Because, you know, those of us on the internet's always be sharing all the things. What you do? What you get? How much? Don't tell me how much you spend. That's your business, not mine. But did you spend a lot? Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these things. Make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. You see I got some new stuff. You see I got some things to show you how they work. Subscribe. Punch the notification bell. Wait, no, we're not punching the notification bell yet. First, share this out because somebody else, it is so weird to say somebody else may want to see what I got. They might. Share it. Okay, now, punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one.